Growing both wild sunflowers and Rudbeckias offers numerous benefits, including their attractive flowers, pollinator support, low maintenance requirements, and contribution to the overall ecosystem. They are a valuable addition to gardens, meadows, and natural areas, providing both visual appeal and ecological value. Wild sunflowers and black-eyed Susans, or Rudbeckias, are both popular flowering plants that belong to the Asteraceae family. While they share some similarities, they also have distinct characteristics that set them apart. Here are the highlights of their similarities and differences. Wild sunflowers versus black-eyed Susans. Both black-eyed Susans and wild sunflowers have yellow, daisy-like flowers with black centers. And certain species of black-eyed Susans bloom at the same time as wild sunflowers, but that is where the similarities stop. Both wild sunflowers and black-eyed Susans belong to the Asteraceae family, commonly known as the aster or daisy family. They are both herbaceous, perennial plants that produce vibrant, daisy-like flowers. The flowers of both wild sunflowers and black-eyed Susans consist of a central disc surrounded by ray florets, which are petal-like structures. Both plants attract pollinators like bees, butterflies, and other insects with their bright, nectar-rich flowers. They prefer similar growing conditions, including full sun and well-drained soil. Wild sunflowers are generally larger than black-eyed Susans, with some varieties growing up to 10 feet tall, while black-eyed Susans usually reach a height of about 2 to 3 feet. Wild sunflowers have thick, sturdy stems and large, broad leaves, while black-eyed Susans have more slender stems and narrower leaves. Wild sunflowers typically have yellow or golden yellow flowers, whereas black-eyed Susans have yellow or orange petals with a dark brown or black center, giving them their characteristic black eye appearance. Both plants have daisy-like flowers. Wild sunflowers have larger, more prominent central discs, while black-eyed Susans have smaller central discs. Rudbeckias and wild sunflowers have an extended blooming season, typically starting in midsummer and lasting until fall. This prolonged display of flowers provides continuous beauty in the garden and attracts pollinators for an extended period. They are both highly attractive to pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects. As a native plant, they play a role in supporting local wildlife. The flowers provide nectar for butterflies and bees, while the seeds attract birds like finches and sparrows. The plants also offer shelter and nesting sites for small insects and birds. Once established, they have good drought tolerance and can survive periods of limited rainfall. This resilience makes them suitable for gardens in drier regions or areas with water restrictions. Rudbeckias and wild sunflowers make excellent cut flowers due to their long-lasting blooms. They can be enjoyed indoors in floral arrangements, bringing the beauty of the garden into the home. The wild sunflowers and Rudbeckias not only add beauty to our garden, but also attract an abundance of pollinators. Their presence boosts our ecosystem, providing nourishment and shelter for local wildlife, and we like that. Please share your experiences in the comment section. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this episode.